Okay, here we are, folks. I'm into tank replacement on my Ford tractor. Oh, and I had such a beautiful paint job on this thing. I have such respect for people who work on anything. Look here how I've scratched up my beautiful paint job on my tank. I got my fuel ascending unit, I think is what they call it. I call it the float valve assembly put back in. And oh man, this has been a pain. Of course, I didn't know what I was doing, and in previous videos, I thought that this clamshell right here would separate, and it didn't. So I didn't worry too much about taking my manual choke cable out. Well, long story short, I had my clamshell propped up here. It fell. My choke cable kept it from hitting the ground, but in the process, it bent my choke cable neck right in here. This is a sleeve that the choke cable runs through. Yeah, it was an all crap moment when I realized what had happened. So, you say, Jeff, what did you do? Well, I said many words that I'm not proud of. And after that, I said a few more. Then I thought, well, heck, Napa's got them. Yeah, they have to order them. Be like $25, and they couldn't be here till Wednesday. So I said, okay, here we go, Jeff. So I finally was able to get the choke cable disconnected from the carburetor. I had to remove this here. Oh, I didn't remove it. I just loosened up this breathing apparatus. It goes up there to the breather. I was able to get access to little screws and stuff. You can't see them. It's so dark down here, but there's screws in there. All right, so I was able to get it out. I had to take my clamshell back off for like the third time because this little nut and washer threads through the hole. Now my wife's gonna kill me for this video because it's jerking around so much. That hole right there, it threads through there and then serpentines through the tractor. So I finally got it off, and I took it over here to my trashy work table and using my trusty vise there, work vise. I was able to pull. I tried to straighten it a little bit. That didn't help much, but I can't pull this thing out. There we go. I was able to get it out. Okay, so there is the choke cable. So then I started trying to straighten this to get it straight. It is straighter, but I never could get it straight enough. So then my machining skills kicked in. I thought, well, if I could open up that hole a little bit, because the choke cable stem, that's what I'm calling that right there, measures 175 thousandths in diameter. Well, I actually had a drill bit here. I don't know how I found it. I know I got a trashy place here. What is this thing? That is a 7/64 maybe. Decimal equation 175 thousandths. And so I run that down in there. No luck. So I thought, okay, well, I'll step it up. So I got a 3/16 drill bit, which is 187. And as you see, I was able to get in there. I just drilled it down in there, trying to ream it out some. So anyhow, that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna continue to work on it. But I've had to take that blame clamshell off that thing twice. I got it up there once and realized I had not plugged in some wires, and I hope to goodness and the good Lord up above that I got the wires plugged in correctly. So I take it off, do that, and then that's when I realized, wait a minute, my choke ain't working either, so I have to take it off again. So we're into Saturday deep now. It's about probably 12 o'clock Saturday. I'm fixing to get irritated and just quit. So anyhow, there it is. There's that. Yeah. Next time somebody tells me I can fix something on my tractor, I said, nope, I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna tell you why. Because nothing ever works right for me the first through fifth time I try it. So anyhow, they accept marriage. I'm on marriage number 1, and it's working out like a charm. Eubanks Family Homestead, where tractor repair can be a pain in your life.